Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a Wi-Fi extender. First, find the perfect spot for your extender. It should be roughly halfway between your main router and the area where your Wi-Fi signal is weak. Make sure it's still within the range of your current Wi-Fi network. Also, try to keep it away from large metal objects or other electronics that might cause interference, like microwaves or cordless phones. This optimal placement ensures maximum signal boost. Once you've found the ideal spot, plug your Wi-Fi extender into a power outlet. Give it a moment to power on completely. You'll usually see a solid power indicator light. Many extenders offer a simple setup using a WPS button. Just press the WPS button on your router, then on the extender within 2 minutes. Alternatively, you can connect to the extender's temporary Wi-Fi network and follow the on-screen instructions via a web browser. To get the best performance, regularly check for and install firmware updates for your extender. These updates often include bug fixes and performance improvements. If you have many devices or need faster speeds, consider a dual-band extender, which operates on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies. Also, placing your extender a few feet off the ground, perhaps on a shelf, can help broadcast the signal more effectively throughout your home. If you're still experiencing weak signals, try relocating the extender to a slightly different spot, perhaps a few feet closer to your main router. Sometimes, a simple power cycle of both your router and extender can resolve connectivity issues. If problems persist, a factory reset of the extender, usually by holding a small button for 10 seconds, can often fix it. Always ensure your main router has a stable internet connection first.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.